Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to discuss with you all about how much should be the normal body temperature in the body. Average normal body temperature, how much should be in the body and how much it should be maintained. So average body temperature that should be 98.6 degree Fahrenheit. How much it should be? It should be around 98.6 Fahrenheit and that is 37 degrees centigrade. Anything above to 98.6 Fahrenheit 37, that is 37 degrees centigrade. Anything above means how much? 98 is the, I told you, normal to maintain. If it is more than 104 degree Fahrenheit, more than, if it is more than 104 degree Fahrenheit, then we will call it as hyperthermia. Hyperthermia means there is a increase in the body temperature above 98.6 degree Fahrenheit. That is 104 degree Fahrenheit. We will call it as hyperthermia. 104 degree Fahrenheit means when it comes to centigrade, that is 40 degrees centigrade. Okay. And now, what are the causes? What are the causes for the hyperthermia? Hyperthermia means mostly heat stress is the main cause. Heat stress. This is the main cause for increasing in the body temperature. Heat is the main cause for the hyperthermia. Heat means what? Like if mainly we will see heat is more increased in the body due to, like, if suppose you are going stair climbing, if you are climbing a stairs, or you are vigorously walking heavily, and or if there is any underlying cause, like any diseases that will be shown, like a fever or some, especially like for farmers, construction workers, hyperthermia is the general increase in the body temperature that will be affected mostly to the farmers or farmers or climbers who will climb the hills and forest. All this, like climbing up, means if you are going into an inclined in construction workers, especially, like they will direct sunlight will fall on them, so they are at more risk for the heat stress. What are the symptoms for hyperthermia? Symptoms for hyperthermia is symptoms dizziness, weakness and nausea, thirst increasing. We know that if suppose there is a excess of body temperature, if it is increased, mostly we will feel dizziness, like giddiness like feeling we will have, and we will feel like more weak, and will desire will tell to thirst, means thirsty, or to drink water more and more. These are the basic symptoms for the heat stress. And main thing also, headache also might increase very severely. These are the basic symptoms for the hyperthermia. So when it happens, when hyperthermia will happen in the body, main symptoms you will find like nausea, dizziness, weakness, thirst increasing, headache. These are the basic symptoms. Suppose if these symptoms are excess will happen, means if these symptoms, like it will increase more and more, then medical attention is required, means you have to go to hospital for the checkup. So what we have to do if hyperthermia happens? You have to drink lot of water. Water is the main thing you have to remember. Water. When hyperthermia happens, water is the main thing. You have to drink a lot of water, and along with the water some electrolytes. Electrolytes, you know that it will be available in the medical shop. So you can take the electrolytes. In that, lot of calcium, sodium, potassium, that will balance. Electrolytes are important in the body to maintain the body temperature, to normalize the body temperature. Electrolytes are very important. If electrolytes are not maintained, this hyperthermia will happen, and these all the problems will come from the hyperthermia. So to balance that, you are going to drink some water, electrolyte, calcium, sodium, potassium, all this you are going to take in the form of the electrolyte. Now let's go into hypothermia. What is meant by hypothermia? What is meant by hypothermia? Hyper, we told that there is an increase in the body temperature. Hypo means there is a decrease in the normal body temperature. How much decrease? Decrease temperature in the body. So how much decrease is called as a hypothermia? That is 95 degree Fahrenheit. That's meaning 35 degrees centigrade. If there is a decrease in the temperature, that is 95 degree Fahrenheit, then we will call it as hypothermia. What are the symptoms for the low temperature? That is, symptoms is we know everyone, shivering symptoms. Shivering body. Speech, you are not able to talk well, slurred speech, and slow. Again same, weakness. Breathing is shallow and slow breathing. All this hypothermia means there is completely decrease in the body temperature. Then normal heart will regulate normally. So normal regulation of the heart will decrease. When it will decrease, what will happen? Suddenly there will be slowing down of your body systems. All the body organ systems will be slowed down. When that happens, shivering, weakness, you are not able to talk properly, that is slurred speech, slow talking, slow walking, shallow breathing, memory loss, confusion, all this will happen in the hypothermia. So what are the causes for the hypothermia? Causes, we know that, suppose I told you in hyperthermia, if there is a excess of heat. Same thing if it is a hypothermia means there is when you are going in any cold climatic condition, extreme like water conditions, cold climate, cold, everything is like a cold, wearing very wet clothes. All these are the causes for the hypothermia. And the next thing is that when hypothermia happens, what we have to do? We have to wear some warm clothes, we have to warm ourselves. We have to warm the body temperature. We have to wear dry clothes. So we have to go sometime in the sunlight. All this which will balance the temperature, we have to, which will maintain the temperature, that and all we have to do in the hypothermia. Hyperthermia means if there is an increase in the body temperature. To normalize the body temperature, we will drink water, electrolytes and all that. Suppose hypothermia means there is a cold temperature, means that is body temperature will slow down. For that you have to what you have to do, you have to wear some warm clothes and all. Tight clothes, warm clothes has to be wear, so that the body temperature will be maintained. And if there is any more problem, then you have to go to the medical attention. If you like my video and for more updates, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, guys.